What's going on, Buck Builds? I am Jesse. I am Buck Jesse. I am the one that had one of the first Broncos, the new style Broncos on 40s, and this is my new channel where I'm featuring Jeep products as well. So I've changed the logo to Buck Builds, and as you can see on the screen today, we're talking about the Oracle tail lights. So let's jump into it. So as you can see on the screen, these are one of my favorite things here, where you can see that they're really flush with the back end of the tailgate on the Gladiator and the Jeep Gladiator. So I really like the color of the design. These are the tinted ones. They also have a one where it's not tinting around the C shape of the headlight. They feature a really bright backup light as well as that taillight being really aggressive and really bright on the back end of the tail right on the Jeep Gladiator. These will fit any 2020 plus Jeep Gladiator. They always come in around 400 bucks, 442 for this one. As you can see, there's some other options there. There's a back end. So these are the regular ones where they have the red, basically sea light on the tail there as well. And you can see some more pictures of there. They're really easy, plug and play. Pop out the old ones, put this new one in. They come with the resistor built in, so you won't have any issues. You can see them lit up right there. These are one of my favorite styles of taillights for the Jeep Gladiator. They really give it a seamless look, and it's really flush against the back, so it's not poking out if you are taking it off-road where it can hit brush and rocks and all that kind of stuff very easily. You can see that there. I'll come down here and we'll look at some reviews. Some people have said that the quality of these are not there, but every person that I've asked, they've had really good success with. So you can see here, there's the insulation. This saying is disappointing junk, but it's probably just a manufacturer right out of the box. So definitely take a look at that. I really like the way these ones look. As you can see, this one is a 4-star. So you can see that they look really awesome. I just love these taillights, and I think they look awesome. Some of these reviews aren't so great, but I would stand on it that they honor their warranty like crazy. I've seen many people refer to these taillights and love them. And warranty from Oracle. I've had Oracle products on my Bronco, all my trucks and all my other stuff, and I've never had an issue with those. But definitely take a look at these. Come in at 442, and they are pretty aggressive. I'm actually going to grab a pair from my Jeep here soon and install. And I'll do that full video with you guys as well to show you how easy they're to install. So if you'd like these, shop the link in the bio or shop the link in the description of this video. Helps the channel out, helps support the channel. And I will be doing a lot more videos about the Jeep Gladiator coming up soon. And we appreciate you guys for watching. We will catch you on the next one. Thanks.